Alright, so I've had a lot of people saying that the volumetric clouds don't work in Unreal 5, and yep, that's correct. Here is supposed to be volumetric clouds in here, but there is not. Now that broke between the preview version of Unreal 5 and the official release of Unreal 5, but it's pretty easy to fix. So if you go to the the volumetric cloud material that you're using, whether that's in the volumetric folder, not the instance, but the actual material, whether that's in the volumetric clouds folder, or if you're using the HQ Sky project I made, that's just in the editor folder. You'll notice this has some errors in the material. For whatever reason, something along the way has changed. I'm thinking it's probably like this noise or flow map or something has changed from being color to linear color, but that's pretty easy. So it's this texture sample up here, so there. It's just throwing an error. All you need to do is change its type in the panel here from color to linear color and save it. Now it'll take a little bit to save because it's a big material, has to compile some shaders and whatnot. However, once it's done, you'll have your clouds back. Right, and just like that, the clouds work again. Looking cool. So, on top of that, I thought I'd take this time to let you know that the HQ Sky program blueprint I made is now on Gumroad for free. So if you want to grab that, you can go ahead and grab that. What that is it sort of saves you the hassle of setting up, high quality skies and stuff. It's just a single blueprint you drag out, and immediately you get a decent sky, and you've just got all these simple settings here to enable and change to sort of set your scene up however you like to help make things easy. We could go like change that. Ooh. Density, maybe. Give us a really nice look. So if you want to grab that, then I'll put the link in the description.